All right, y'all, we're about a week into our kitchen renovation. Things are going along pretty well. We haven't hit any major hiccups yet. So yeah, it's kind of chaos, but we've tried to make it slightly organized chaos. So I thought I would show y'all around and just show you where we're at. So let's go check it out. So me and my boys cut up some plywood to make tops for these cabinets. And these might as well be Carrera marble countertops. I was so happy about it. Just having a place to put everything. And before, I had my coffee maker on the floor, and that was very inconvenient. So I am absolutely ecstatic with our plywood countertops at the moment. And we've just reused our old cabinetry from the kitchen just so we have a place to put everything. Again, it's like I said, it's chaos, but we have these cabinets sitting around so we can at least make it organized chaos.